Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into MyGeotab to monitor EV fleets and charging, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the MyGeotab login page. Enter your username in the designated field. Type in your password in the password field. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, check your authentication device for the code. Enter the verification code in the provided field if required. Click on the Login button to access your MyGeotab dashboard. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface. Locate the Vehicle section on the left side menu to monitor your EV fleet. Select the specific vehicle you wish to track. To view charging data, access the Reports section from the left menu. Under Reports, look for Electric Vehicle Charging. Generate a report to see charging status and summary. Review details like charging duration, energy consumed, and cost. If needed, adjust the date range for the report to focus on specific timeframes. Utilize filters to view specific vehicles or parameters. Save or export the report for further analysis when required. Explore additional features such as alerts for charging statuses. Make sure to log out after your session to maintain security. You are now equipped to monitor your EV fleet and charging effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.